Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 2 of the video editing series. In this video we are going to see how you can import and export files in Openshot. Importing files basically means just to add files in the Openshot project, which can then be used to edit your video, and export means to convert the edited files in Openshot in the desired video format. To import files, simply click on the plus icon at the top tray. And then, select the files you want to add. After selecting the files, click on Open, and as you can see, files have been added. Once you have edited your video, to export this in your desired video file, click on the Export button at the top tray. And then configure your video as per your need, that is, name, format, quality, etc. And then in few minutes, your files will get converted into a video. In the next video, we will see how you can perform basic editing operations in a video. Thank you, hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.